Next amazing thing about Canva is what I call magic media. Now this is a fantastic AI tool when it comes to generating you images and graphics as well as video. So if you're looking for creative inspiration, Canva could be a great platform for that. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to create the same image as an image or also as a graphic as well as a video. So I'm going to go into the magic media tool. So I click on magic media and I can describe exactly what I want. So I'm going to say I want a fast car in a busy city. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for an image of a fast car in a busy city. And I'm gonna click on generate image. So the great thing with Magic Media is that I've asked it to do it in as an image, as a graphic, and as a video. And I'm gonna show you different examples. So as an image, this is what it's actually showing me as an image today. So I've got 4 images that it's generated. And here is one example of the image that it actually generates, which is pretty good. I think it's pretty decent. It is literally of car in a busy city. The same one here, example again, a blue car in a busy city is fast cars. It's definitely identified it as fast cars. Now, when it comes to the actual design, when it comes to graphics, I did exactly the same thing. I asked it for the exact same information. And when you click on graphics, these are the sorts of graphics it creates. So you can see it's creating me this type of graphic. I've also got one in this type of graphic. This is more of a city-like, fast car. And then I've got this one as well. So there's multiple different graphics that it creates pretty much within the magic media. I think it's a great way to create media for your graphics and your images. Now let's see how good it is at creating videos. I've asked exactly the same thing to the magic media tool within Canva, and I've asked it for a video, and this is what it's generated to me, which I think is absolutely phenomenal. So this is it creating me a fast car within the busy city. And you can see it's pretty much showing me a city like. Now, it hasn't shown me necessarily the fast car itself. And I'm sure with tweaking that a little bit more, it would show me a bit more information. But I think this is a really good tool if you're looking at creating very realistic imagery, especially for the images and especially for the videos for your content. So check out the magic media. Let me know how you get on with the magic media. I think this is a great tool. I will definitely be using this in more of my projects. I will also definitely be using this in my business as well to create more content at a low cost way. So let me know how you get on, and I will see you on the next one.